1, 2, 3.
Hi, sisters! Welcome back to my channel. She was in my videos way back in the day when Beauty Habits 94 was a thing. If you guys remember who that was, just like this video. Yeah, that channel has been long deleted, but if you were an OG, like this video and let me know that you remember Beauty Habits 94. Xiara is back, better than ever, blonde hair now. You can probably tell by the title that we tried to follow James Charles, what the frick am I saying? We tried to follow James Charles' makeup tutorial. Now, you guys have probably seen this in other videos on YouTube, but let me tell you, there's not one that looks like this. I can promise you that. Obviously, it didn't turn out good or anything like James Charles, but if you want to see the process of getting this and how we did this, continue watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below in the end who did you think looks better. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Alright babes, so I'm starting off with my base and eyebrows already completely on and done.
Oh wait, okay, hold on. He already starts off with his face makeup and his eyebrows, so should we just do that really quickly?
I guess.
Okay. Is this the darkest color? Okay, we'll just use this. I guess we should put some primer on. Okay, so he already does his face makeup. Like I said, I did not bring any of my makeup, so I'm gonna use Xiara's shade in the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. Okay. I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie. I could just blend some.
You look like the peanut butter baby.
Oh my god. Look at my arm compared to my face. Oh no. Oh no. Okay.
Do whatever you want. Next, concealer. Uno momento means 1 minute, right?
Yeah, like, I mean, 1 moment. If you really want to know how to look beautiful, just don't follow after her. Follow my routine. I look like the moon emoji. Some tart shape too. Light neutral. Okay. This is not okay.
What are they doing?
The tutorial hasn't even started and things are going bad.
Don't follow after us.
Hi sisters, my name is James and welcome back to my channel. Use code James for 10% off.
Remember that meme that went around about him with
Flashback Mary?
That's what you look like.
Laura Mercier.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. We're doing a video. Guys, things are not going good. Is this what do you use this for? I'm gonna use your bronzer. Where's your bronzer? All the good brushes over there.
What?
Is this your? I'm gonna use this as my face makeup.
Gee, that is so dark.
You just gotta add a little color. Things are looking a little better. I look like freaking Bobo the Clown. All right. Oh wait, no, I gotta do my bronzer. I don't know what I'm supposed to use for that. Okay. Let me use Hula because I know that.
I don't know why I have a little one.
I have a little one too. I have a little one because one time my dad sent me to Ulta to buy my mom a perfume for her birthday. And I bought bronzer on his card and I bought the little one so he wouldn't be able to tell that I bought something else. I'm gonna be honest, I can't tell what I'm doing. Alright, that's fine. We're just gonna skip eyebrows. Are you ready to follow the tutorial now?
Yeah.
On the eye region, obviously, so I don't want to take too long on the base. I just use my makeup from Ultra HD stick and then my shape tape as always, my Laura Mercier, and then my Benefit from products. So
no, that makes her like lip
like always, every single video. And now let's just go ahead and move right on with the eyes and get into the glam. This is my all-time favorite palette that I use for my colorful looks. As you can see, it is very used and damaged, but it is my holy grail. And I'm going to start off with this angle brush and just dip into the yellow shade down.
Oh shoot, he's going way too fast. Hold on, he's going way too fast.
We're not gonna have any of those colors.
Alright, we gotta find a yellow. Also, we don't have any colorful palettes, so we're using like the ones that you buy that you get from your grandma when you're like 12 and you're not allowed to wear makeup.
Okay, I love how literally I brought you like every single palette
I own. So this is the new James Charles Morphe palette.
Use code James for 10% off. We have this a very wide variety of shades, so I think this is what we're going to be using
for today's look.
This palette is my all-time favorite palette that I use for my colorful looks. As you can see, it is very, very used and damaged, but it is my holy grail, and I'm going to start off with this angle brush and just dip into the yellow shade down in the bottom to start sketching out my crease.
So he is using a angled brush, one of these puppies. This is what we have.
Jada, I use that for paint.
These are paint brushes that we're going to use on our eyes, so.
Here you go.
And we're going to go in with yellow.
I sketch out the crease first, and then go in with the shadows and blend
Sketch out the crease.
This is not a very, very common technique, but it's what works best for me. So follow it, don't follow it. That's on you to decide. And I'm going to dip into the orange shade and kind of.
Wait, he's going too fast. I thought we were using yellow.
Okay, yellow and orange. Come on.
And then finally, winging that out.
Oh shoot! What is he doing?
Pink shade.
Look like I have a black eye.
When I sketch out my cut creases, as you can see, I do have a little bit of hooded eyes. When I look straight forward
Okay,
at the
he's got
camera,
orange.
there's
I'm gonna
not
go
much
with this
actual
modern
lid space,
Renaissance
so you can see.
orange.
So
Yeah,
when
this
I
is
draw
too
my
fast. I
creases,
can't
for
process.
my natural crease, the best result, but once again.
All right, we're doing.
Next, I'm gonna go my
We're doing good.
brush right back into that yellow shade, and I'm just gonna really focus.
I'm not even on the orange.
One brush dipping into my eye.
And now we're gonna deepen up the orange part of our crease.
Darkening up a little bit more dimension, and then going into the
Oh, cute. I have streaks.
clean Morphe M151 brush again, and dip into my Jeffree Star Androgyny palette in the shade Fetish.
Oh my god.
Bottom of that crease.
You're going too fast. I'm gonna take this angled brush.
Three brush, I'm gonna dip into that red shade.
Joe, please pause it.
Now we're gonna go in with this red ochre. I'm going in with red ochre. Okay guys, so as I'm watching and editing this video, I am realizing that for all of the parts that I'm doing my makeup, you cannot see what I'm doing. So I apologize now for all of the parts where I'm doing my makeup and you just can't see. But you get to see the end product, and that's what really matters, right? So yeah, sorry about that. Modern Renaissance, and I'm deepening my crease with this Morphe. Okay, so things are looking pretty good. You could say, wow, that's really good. I mean, I could be wrong, but I'm thinking I'm looking pretty good right now. I mean, I don't like want to judge it too soon, but that looks pretty good. Can you hurry up?
Dude, I guess it works when you blend it.
Honestly, you just gotta blend everything and it looks good.
Okay. I don't want to flex, but mine looks pretty good. Why is it so close to your eyebrow?
I have small lids. I don't dance, I'm thinking, not a chance. Okay, ready? I'm moving on.
I think mine looks better than yours.
All right, here we go. Ooh. Okay, we need a fluffy brush.
And then finally, one last M4 33, I'm gonna dip into the bright pink shade.
We need a
Just
bright
line up the
pink
outside
shade.
of that line and smoke it out. I'm gonna go back to my Tarte Shade Kit Concealer and my Makeup Shack T86 brush. And I'm just
I'm gonna use this brush.
Concealer down onto the eyelid. Just let that concealer replace and just to brighten up the eyelid itself and get ready for the liner. I'm just gonna use the Makeup Shack T6 brush in the white shade and the 35B.
It
And just
so
pack it
pretty,
right up
and
there.
ours is looking a little.
Kat Von D Tattoo and Locket Liner. This is my all-time favorite winged liner.
All right, guys.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Way bigger than normal, but keep in mind it is a very, very large cut crease, almost like drop style makeup look. So we definitely want to try to balance
Where's
it
the
out.
modern Renaissance?
Right here, right in my hand.
Oh.
I'm just gonna use my finger. Spread this out.
Mine's a little bit more natural, but
Yeah, me too. I was going for like the natural look. Where are you?
oh no.
Things are going really good for us, ladies. Really, really good. Yours kind of looks pretty.
Oh, thanks.
Mine looks a little rough.
I think it's just too much of your eyelid that you did. Mine looks pretty, I think.
Let me just tell you, they make these tutorials for people to follow. You can't. It's hard, okay?
God.
When you speed it up, you can't follow that.
Oh yeah. I can't talk.
When it comes to the liner, because
He just said liner.
huge but crazy and a tiny little baby wig. I love the formula of this. It is so pretty. It doesn't irritate my eyes.
Oh, this one's good.
Really not.
Okay, so now we're doing our eyeliner. Things are gonna go really well here. Okay, I messed up a little bit, but other than that, it looks kind of good.
Except for that little dot, it's like low-key kind of good.
Oh no. I think I did her a little too thick. So, just a little progress picture. This is what it looks like so far.
Why is this like...
Oh my god. Things aren't going well. That's not what it's supposed to look like. Is this white? He put white on his water. Okay, I think you're like low-key kind of wearing though. Yours kind of looks good.
Is that offensive? I don't know.
Pencil's not very good. It's like I want to give up, but I just have to keep going. I don't want to brag, but this looks pretty good. No.
Swarovski crystals in there too.
Some Swarovski crystals. We don't have that.
I'm gonna grab, you guessed it, the Morphe 35B and my M433 brush.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab my
I'm just focusing this color right on
this one, and I'm gonna grab this blue shade in here.
You don't want a super duper harsh line. That is always against the rules when it comes to makeup with Sister J. I'm next gonna go back in with my 35B and my Sigma E55 eye shading brush. This is just a flat definer brush, and I'm just gonna dip into this bright green shade right up here. And I'm just gonna
Now I need this
blue blending
green
brush
color.
and make sure and dip right into this bright ass purple to finish off the lower lash line. I'm just taking this purple shade and I'm putting it right
I'm
in
gonna take the
corner of
bright
lid,
purple.
pulling into the blue a little bit and then just pulling it.
I think I went a little.
I'm gonna grab a Swarovski crystal.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab, where's the glitter? Glitter, glitter, glitter.
Yes. Oh no, that's green.
Well, that probably looked pretty with the eye shadow that's on our eyes. We're gonna use this green glitter. I just
Dip my finger in it.
I'm gonna take, where do I put it? That looks really pretty. I'm not gonna lie.
Yours looks kind of pretty. Considering you just said that is pretty, I don't believe you.
I'm a little jealous. Let's see what he does next.
The lashes, and for today I'm using the House Lashes Iconics.
Okay,
As
so
always, I always love these.
should we each one of us use one of these lashes?
Right on. The benefit of
Those
lash
ones?
mascara, you guys know this.
We're only doing one eye.
Should we do ours? Do you even know how to apply eyelashes?
Am I even a girl?
I wasn't here.
So I've been watching Scott Brown or something like that on Tati's channel, and what he does is he folds his lashes so that they get loose. Watching a James Charles video while talking about Tati.
Is that allowed?
Oh, glue. That looks beautiful. At this point, I'm not even following this tutorial anymore. So I'm just gonna put on some lipstick.
Oh yeah, what kind of lipstick did we use?
I don't even know. I'm just gonna put on this color. Oh yeah, that's pretty.
You're like...
This smells like straight brownie mix. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay guys, so this is my finished look. This isn't okay. Wait, hold on. Oh wait. Comment down below. Oh my god! If you stay this far in the video, comment down below who you think looks better, me or Xiara. I think we all know who won, not gonna lie. Xiara's looks really good, and mine looks like a clown gone wrong, went through a freaking woodchuck and then thrown back up. Okay, so we're gonna have the girls come in here and decide who they think looks better. We have Zoe, who is 3, and then we have Anna, who is 6. So take a look at our makeup and who do you think look better, me or Xiara?
Wait, did you guys do half?
Yeah, we only did half. Dang. Oh no, so they voted me.
Okay, you look so better.
She said because I look so better.
It's darker. Looks like markers.
Oh.
Looks like makeup.
Okay guys, make sure to like this video, go subscribe to my channel, go watch James Charles's video,
Go follow me on Instagram.
go follow Xiara on Instagram. I will put her Instagram, both of ours right here, down below somewhere. It's gonna end up somewhere in this video. So, go like and subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman.